Hey everyone, welcome back to the topic. And today we are going to discuss in this topic is some sort of some practical implementations of what we have learned till date. So now let's do some coding. So maybe your brain get brush up for the ideas through the practical concepts. So first of all, I will here inserted imported OS then JSON. Now, these are the libraries provided by the Python itself, which have a lot of modules which are going to help you a lot in upcoming programs. Also, here I have type Grok our API. Uh, let's keep it simply Grok, and here I have typed client as we have already used. Now, okay, sorry. Now let's add another library that is from Open AI, import Open AI. Here I will add some more AI agents, sorry, AI models like from Anthropic, import Anthropic, and finally from IPython dot display to here I will let's say I want to import the display and also the markdown version. Just a minute, guys. Okay, now let's run the code. First of all, I will select as whenever we close the VS Code and when we come back, we have to select again our kernel. So here I have again selected my Python 3 version, and here our code has run successfully. It has taken almost 30 seconds. Yeah. Now here I will again do that to just to verify that our API key is working or not. And yes, again it's working as we have already given that in the .env file. Now I will add some codes in order to look out more details using our codes and APIs. So let's do that. Here I will simply type GROQ API key is equal to that we have already used this one in order to fetch our API key and its initial characters. So here I will again add the conditions uh, that we have already discussed when we were building our first AI agent. Let's say if grok API key, then print grok API key is set, otherwise it's not set. That keep let's keep it simple and let's add those slicing, Python slicing. So, okay, let's keep it up to four. Mhm. Let's, yeah, okay. Sorry, the app statement is missing. Yes, I have added and now run the code, and yes, it's run successfully. But let's add more numbers so at least we get the more unique codes. Otherwise, the GSK underscore is default. So let's add another thing. Here I will pass a request in order to fetch some random sentences. So here, first of all, I will give him a command that please come up with a challenging and nuanced questions and related to that something. And let's here for just we are trying that they provide us some sort of quote or sentences based on unique questions, something like with a high IQ level or that thing. So we are just trying to fetch that the AI model that we have used, that is Grok. They provide us a sentence. Just keep it simple. So just provide us something like a quote. So let's see as they are providing us or not. Now I will simply add another variable and let's erase this. It's not our work related. Instead, I will add our variable request. Okay, it's successfully run. Now let's add messages. Now it's also run. Okay, now let's send another code. Grok is equal to client and response. Let's add a tab. Okay, again tab, and here it runs successfully. You can see that also I have add a comment so you can understand it quickly, and simply they have provided us the quote based on certain a quote of high IQ level. Maybe I have passed this kind of prompt, so they just give us imagination is more important than knowledge, and as we know that it's indeed, it's no cap, it's true that the visualization power gives us more knowledge and insights than just keeping us in a theoretical world. So, and it's true, and it's also provide us a great motivation also, that more practical way or more imagination visualization power also help us to cope up in the real world. So that's probably a good thing. And here I am passing certain uh, codes, and here is error. Let's solve this. Here user will come, yes, and again it's okay. Now it's run. Okay, now okay, let's see it's run or not. Yeah, it's completely run. So let's keep it up to this. Okay, let's see it's run, and this is for today. And in the next topic, we are going to continue this, and we will see more practical way of using and typing some code, so you get comfortable with the variables and more keywords that looking very hectic or maybe very dangerous, but make sure, I'm really just believe me, it's very easy to learn. And in the next video, we in the next topic, we are going to discuss about uh, more comparison of certain API keys, where I will pass certain prompts and they will provide me the rank of certain AI API keys like OpenAI, Grok, and Llama, Olama. So let's do that. It will be a great fun. So just make sure you are watching all these topics and with great enthusiasm, and it will be a good fun if we both were together and going to conclude. conquer this series. So just make sure you be with me. So till then, keep building, stay happy. Thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.